Good afternoon, students. See, now we have got number of registered students as 550. So crash course ICSE grade 10 chemistry, we are doing final exam revision. So when is your exam? March 11th, Monday. So how many days we have? We have 60 days. So in 60 days, what we have to do? Let us see what are the total topics here. We have 9 topics: periodic properties, chemical bonding, acids, bases and salts, analytical chemistry. Already I have uploaded one video. Then mole concept and stoichiometry, this video is also uploaded. So what we can conclude here, we can conclude that we need to focus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 topics only. I will explain again, but to keep it lighter, what I can tell that out of 9 topics already we are having video lectures of 4 and 5. Remaining also we will upload. Along with that, Monday, Wednesday and Friday 7 to 8 we will have online class. So again I am repeating, Monday, Wednesday, Friday 7 to 8 p.m. online class through Gmeet. That also link you already know. Now what about the test? What we discussed here Monday, Wednesday and Friday, that is 3 hours. You will be writing test on Sunday. Hope you are clear. So we are going to follow the same pattern. I think you have understood this. First thing, what is the syllabus we have discussed here? Now, electrolysis, metallurgy and study of compounds HCl, NH3, HNO3, H2SO4. See, in this it will be similar only. Preparation, chemical properties. All 4 we have to stress more on preparation and chemical properties. And last one, most important one, organic chemistry. I have separately taken organic chemistry here for brief understanding. Now, organic chemistry, study of carbon and its compounds. Primarily, if carbon and only H, categorized into 3: single bond alkanes, double bond alkenes, triple bond alkynes. That is what I have written here: alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. That is first thing in that is organic chemistry, the first part. Coming to the second, OH is functional group alcohol, so therefore next you need to talk about alcohols. What is COOH? Carboxylic acids. So therefore, apart from hydrocarbons, single, double, triple, that is ane, ene and wine, you also must study alcohols and carboxylic acids. Separately I will discuss each and everything. Fine. Now, introduction, you have tetravalency. Valency is nothing but combining capacity. Tetra means 4. So carbon combines with 4 atoms. Catenation, self linkage of carbon with its own carbon. Everything we will discuss again. Now, what about its structure? And then isomerism. Iso, same. What is same? Same molecular formula but different structure. That is structural isomers. All those we know. We will do that. Homologous series. One video is done on this. The difference between successive members is same, differs by CH2. Those are called homologous series. You already studied. This CH2 group, what do you call? A methylene group. So any 2 compounds with the same functional group differs by methylene group, that is CH2. Those are nothing but homologous series again. you can study under enzymes, and alcohols, carboxylic acids also comes under homologous series. Everything we will discuss separately. Now nomenclature, a brief or complete video is done on nomenclature, which I will be sharing you the link. So this hardly in 1 hour we can complete. That is first part. Now individually, if you take first alkanes, now alkanes, N is equal to 1 is known as a meth. So this is methane. N is equal to 2 is called eth. So this is ethane. We have only two things. What are those? Methane and ethane. That's it. How do you prepare them? From where you will prepare? Number 1, sodium acetate. Let me make it clear. CH3COO minus is acetate group. Na plus here sodium, so sodium acetate. Ethanoate also you will call, because eth 2 carbons, O8 ester, instead of ester you have Na. This also we will see, but just to make you understand with the formula of sodium acetate, I told that sodium Na, acetate is CH3COO minus. Now coming to propionate, what is prop? Prop indicates N is equal to 3. It indicates N is equal to 2. Meth is N is equal to 1. Prop is N is equal to 3. Again same thing. 1, 2, 3 carbons. Like this you take. This was ether. This is prop. 3 carbons. Same thing. COO minus Na. Formula. Next one is methyl iodide. You know methyl CH3. Again we will discuss. Alkane minus 1 hydrogen gives alkyl group. If alkene is methane minus 1 hydrogen, it will become methyl. CH4 minus 1H CH3. That's what we wrote here. Separately we will do everything. Chemical properties. As we are familiar, it comes like this. Nomenclature, classification, then comes preparation, chemical properties. The same order is followed in organic chemistry. Earlier we know this. So what are the chemical properties? Complete combustion. What is combustion? Burning anything in presence of oxygen. You can take like a methane plus O2, whatever. In presence of oxygen, if you take carbon and heat, it converts to CO2, and H will convert into H2O. So ultimately what you have to understand, combustion means if carbon is taken in presence of oxygen on heating, gives carbon gives CO2, hydrogen gives water. Depends on the starting material. Those balanced equations we will discuss when we get into the topic. Substitution reaction is always shown by saturated compound, that is nothing but methane and ethane. Why we want to substitute also we know. Let me not get in deep into this concept. I am giving you the list of the topics. So therefore I don't want to go in deep. What is the substitution? What are the products formed here? Preparation, chemical properties. In the chemical properties, just understand that combustion and substitution. Now come to the unsaturated. You know unsaturated will have addition. So addition reactions for these two. In that I am taking you example. We have ethene. We have to study ethene. And how do you prepare that? D. What is meant by D? Removal. Here you have hydro, means hydrogen you have to remove, halogen X. So removal of hydrogen and halogen is known as dehydrohalogenation. What is the agent for that? I wrote here alcoholic KOH. So dehydrohalogenation is done by alcoholic KOH. You should remember this line alone. Equations and all we will do in next class. D, I told, what is D? Removal. Hydration indicates water. So removal of water minus water using concentrated H2SO4 is known as dehydration. So here you have two concepts. One, dehydrohallucination is done with alcoholic KOH. Dehydration, removal of water, is done with concentrated H2SO4. Now coming to alkynes. Example, ethine, 2 carbons, here also eth, 2 carbons, double bond, triple bond. Now you have CaC2, that is nothing but calcium carbide, and 1,2-dibromoethane, first position, second position, 1,2-dibromoethane. From this you have to prepare this, that is in our syllabus. Now what we should discuss? We should discuss only main properties, addition reactions with hydrogen as well as halogens. Last concept in organic chemistry, what is that? Uses of methane, uses of ethane, they will come under alkane. Uses of ethene comes under alkenes. And last one, uses of alkyne. In that you can take example. So this is about the organic chemistry. Hope you have had a glance of what concepts we are going to discuss furthermore, and today you are aware that we are going to meet 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. I think you have understood this. So today's online class, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. we are going to discuss the first one, that is periodic properties. So while coming to the class, you please observe how to remember periodic table using mnemonics. I made that video already and I have sent the link also. So please have initial idea about periodic table before you come to the class to discuss periodic properties. And 50 students have registered for today's class. So let's meet in today's first online class. And all the very best for your examination on March 11th. Let's meet today at 7 to 8 p.m. Welcome all. Thank you so much.